know that Sinulog is actually a war dance. Similar sa war dance ng Tausug, similar sa war dance ng taga Visayas. War dance yan kasi ang Sinulog, what is the Santo Niño? The Santo Niño devotion first happened during the Reconquista na nilalabanan ng Spanish ang 700-year Muslim occupation of the Iberian Peninsula, naman ng Spanya. So, tandaan natin, nung panahon ng Spanish, nilulusob ng mga sultanates ang mga coastal towns ng Visayas. Kaya nagkaroon ng devotion to the Santo Niño, according to Professor Vicente Villar. Dahil it's an anti-Moro state.
Okay.
So, sa Cebu, di ba? So, sinasayawan nila ng war dance ang Santo Niño na eventually naging Sinulog Festival. So, if you're going to look at the history of the Philippines and how it transformed Catholicism and how we also transformed Catholicism, nakadikit siya. Hindi siya, kumbaga, indelible yung link sa ating kasaysayan. Hindi, kumbaga, kahit na hindi ka Katoliko, you just have to recognize it. It's there.